Good morning, IC 5th and 6th grade families. Mr. Boyer here to do your second lesson with weather versus climate. Today we're doing an activity of creating our own wind vanes. Today I'm going to talk about the supplies you're going to need to make your own. First of all, you need 2 paper plates. That side doesn't matter. Plain white in the back is great. Marker color of your choice, purple, green, blue, doesn't matter. A straw, a new pencil, sharpened new pencil, tape, scissors. I am using a piece of a pop box instead of the cardboard paper, and instead of the modeling clay, I am using Play-Doh. So at home also you'll need a straight pen. I am using a needle. Very hard to see. So if you don't have all the materials that the orange paper here right there suggests to use, you can substitute certain things in instead of what they ask for, as long as it still works, as I have done. Start off on one of the plates. On the white side, you're going to make your own compass. North, east, south, and west. That part's done. Set to the side. Next, using your straw and scissors, you're going to cut about 1 inch, roughly, like so. I did it on both sides, so the straw is cut. And you do that on both sides of your straw. Again, roughly 1 inch. If you have a ruler, you can measure it. Doesn't have to be perfect. Roughly 1 inch. Next, you're going to take your cardboard paper or whatever you're using for that. Regular paper, probably not the best choice. It'll be a little too flimsy. And you're gonna make a triangle for the arrow end and then the end of the arrow. So I'm gonna make mine roughly about a 1 inch on each side for my triangle for the front part of it. Roughly about like that size there. And the end should be a little bit larger. I'm making it a home plate type shape. And again, it's quite a bit larger from the two. Then what you do is take these here and you're going to slide them in to your straw to create your bow and arrow. If you need to pause at any time, go ahead and pause it. Mine unfortunately didn't turn out quite level. Hopefully you have better luck than I did. Then you're going to take your pen, your straight pen, and you're going to put it carefully through about the center of your straw, like so. You can see it a little better. And then take your pencil and put that into your pencil eraser. Again, do this carefully. Try not to poke yourself. I have a little gap between the top of the pencil eraser and my straw, which allows this to move freely. Then the next step is take your 2 plates. You want them like this, with this one with your compass on top. Put your Play-Doh into the middle, like so. Take the other one on top, and you're going to take your tape, and then you're going to tape it together. I'm just going to use 2 pieces of tape. If you want to do more to make it more secure, that is perfectly fine. So now you have your Play-Doh or your modeling clay in the middle. Then take your pencil. You're going to carefully put it through the plate, and that Play-Doh should hold it in place like so. Then the thing I forgot to talk about earlier is your fan. I don't have a desktop fan, so I have a normal fan, and I'm going to turn it on to the lowest level And your arrow should move if you move your fan. So this way it should move and face the direction the wind's going. Again, if you need to pause this video at any time to get your stuff created, go ahead and pause it, resume the play button when you're ready. I would love to see what you create. If you use different materials than what is on the paper suggested, please let me know. I'm curious to see how different things come together. One more thing I want to show you guys. I'm going to share my screen. If you go back to the Generation Genius website, and I just watched the video here, if you scroll down under the assessment tab here, it has an online quiz game. If we did this in school, they have a Kahoot that goes along with our lesson. However, we're not in school today, so you can play the individual one. It loads up automatically, and it'll ask you questions based on what you've learned from the video for climate versus weather. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. Hope you enjoy making your activity. Have your parents take a picture. Send me the pictures of them. Can't wait to see them. Have a wonderful day. See you guys later.